Hi, good morning. So today I'm going to be going over your math. So if you can get your math packet ready, let's go ahead and look at the calendar. So today we are going to work on math. I know it's Tuesday, but when you're looking at your calendar, please look at Monday's assignment. So I want everybody to go ahead and look at Monday's assignment right here, even though it's Tuesday. But let's look at this one right here. So it says, count 1 through 10 non-movable objects in a line. Complete lesson 1 handouts, page 71 and 74. So everybody in your packet, let's go ahead and look for pages 71 through 74. So we have 71, that's what 71 should look like. 71 and 74. So it's only 2 worksheets. I know you're probably looking for 72 and 73, but no. So just 71 and 74. So this one, and the page numbers are at the bottom, and this one. Before we begin, let's go ahead and go over our numbers. Let's go ahead and count 1 through 10. So first, let's count through 1 through 10. So let's count. Get ready. Count with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, good job counting to 10. Now your turn. I want you to count to 10. Get ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, good job counting to 10. So now let's go ahead and begin and look at our first worksheet. Right here it says, count each flower. How many flowers are there? So right here you are going to write your answer. But let's count the flowers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's just review the numbers real quick. So let's review. This is number 1. So this is what number 1 looks like. Everybody say 1. 1. What number is this? 2. Everybody say it. Get ready. 2. What number is this? 3. Everybody say it. Get ready. 3. What number is this? 4. Get ready. 4. What number is this? 5. Get ready. 5. What number is this? 6. Get ready. 6. What number is this? 7. Get ready. 7. What number is this? 8. Get ready. 8. What number is this? 9. Get ready. 9. And finally, we get to number, give me 1 second, 10. Everybody say it. 10. Good job counting to 10. So how many flowers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. So does everybody know what the number 7 looks like? Let's see you try. And number 7 looks like this. So go ahead and write this number on this line. Great job. So now on number 2, it says draw 2 dots in each circle for the numbers given. So I want you to write 2 dots. Remember, 2 dots. So make sure you're counting as you put 2 dots. So you put 2 dots. And then you are going to do 7 plus 1 equals all together. And what do you get? Yes, good job. So how many dots do you have all together? Write your answer. Next worksheet. Cut out the daisies and tulips on page 135. Make an AB pattern with the flowers. So we do not have the tulips and the daisies. So what I want you to do is I want you to make an AB pattern in this box. So on your worksheet, I want you to get 2 crayons. So I want you to grab a red crayon and a green crayon. Do you know what they look like? Okay, so now that we have our crayons, I'm going to go ahead and use these counters. So I have a red, so this would be A. I'm going to see if I can put them here where you can see. A, B, look at the pattern. A, B. So you see the pattern? You have A, B, A, B. Would this be a pattern? Let's see. A, B, B, A. Does that sound like A, B pattern? No. Our pattern should look like this. A, B, A, B. Good job. Please color the boxes below. So go ahead and color these boxes in ABA pattern. Then you are going to make a set of 9 dots in the circle. So how many dots are you going to put in here? 9. When you are putting the dots, make sure you are counting. Once you are done with these 2 worksheets, parents, please take a picture and submit it to the teacher for a grade. Or if you want and you are able to, you can upload it to Microsoft Teams. And if you have any question, feel free to let me know and I'll be more than happy to help. Good luck and good job, students. Let's begin.